Using email is one of the most effective ways to get your message in front of more people. It's also one of the most effective ways to make more sales in a really leveraged way. But what are you gonna say in your emails that's gonna move people from reading your email to taking action? Today I'm sharing with you a 3-part email series that I've learned that I've used over and over to make millions of dollars. I wanna give it away for free. Hey, it's Jesse Eker, and everyone always asks me, how do I do email marketing? Like, what do I even say? How do I even do it? And that's a loaded question. What I like to do is I like to use different types of email series to then move people from reading the email to actually taking action. Now, I learned this from some of the powerhouses in the industry. One guy's named Ryan Dice, another guy's named Richard Linder, and they work for the Digital Marketer, okay? And Digital Marketer is a great platform to teach people how to run an online business. But I learned in a long time ago an email series that I've used over and over again to use to make millions of dollars. And I want to share with you that email series so that you can use it as well. So the first part of the email is email number 1, and we usually call that the blind email. Now the blind email is simply getting the lowest hanging fruit of creating what we call curiosity. Now, most people in email, they make their emails way too long. They are thinking that people will have the time to just sit and scroll their email. How many emails do you get a day? I think on average, it's 88 to 100 different emails a day. So if you make your emails too long, guess what's gonna happen? They're gonna skip them, they're gonna ignore them, or they're not gonna read them. Not saying that they don't do that for all of them, but what I wanna do is when you're using a blind email, you wanna make it short, you wanna make it sweet, and you wanna make it curiosity driven. Your objective is number 1, get the email open. Number 2, get the click. You want to make curiosity to get people clicking so they go to the next page, which is going to do the heavy lifting. If you get them to take action, it's a micro commitment of a yes, you have a better chance of them taking action on the next page. But if you don't even get them taking action on the first page, well, you're never going to get them taking action on the second page. So we want to make sure that we start with a blind email to get all those people who are click happy, curiosity happy, or emotionally charged moving to the next page, okay? So the blind email is number 1. Number 2, we call this our direct email. This is more for our logical people who are reading our emails. Logical people need to see like the real benefits of what they get on the next page. What I like to do is like to be very direct. Here's benefit number 1. Here's benefit number 2. Here's benefit number 3 when you register for our virtual event. You'll see who this is for, what we're gonna do, and the real benefits of how you're going to get a result or an outcome by clicking on the next page. So if you're a coach who wants to do $100,000 in a month and you want to use virtual events in your business, click here to learn how to do that. On this virtual event, we're gonna show you how to do X, Y, Z, and we're gonna show you how to do that in the next 75 minutes. You know, it's for these people. Click here to learn more about it and see if it's the right fit for you. That's a direct email because you're directly promoting something, but also giving direct benefits of how it relates to the person who is reading that email, all right? So that's email number 2 is our direct email. And email number 3, this is what we call fear. This is what we call urgency and getting people to move. Some people just need a kick in the butt to move them, right? You've probably done this a few times where it's like last call to get this special deal and you take action. Sometimes we just need a little bit of motivation to get us moving or to actually get our eyesight or our attention on what's happening. So a fear type email is a last call or ending a discount or I'm not going to be talking about this anymore, don't miss out, right? This is creating some sort of urgency or scarcity in what you're doing. Now, I always say don't be out of integrity, meaning you want to make sure that what you're doing is actually real. Be real, don't be a faker, don't be a scammer, have some integrity, but use the power of scarcity and urgency to move people into action. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a trigger that helps people. You can do it in a very classy, intelligent, and a very thoughtful way as well. You're just giving them a friendly reminder that you're not gonna be talking about this or doing this, and you wanna make sure that you're doing best of service for them. Here's the deal. If someone has a problem and you have the solution, it is your service and duty to give them that solution, because then they suffer. Don't be scared to get your message in front of more people, because it's going to provide a solution to them. Use those for your emails to get people moving so that they know that they're going to miss out and they're going to still have that problem. That's bad for them and bad for you. We want to make this a win-win solution. Here's a great opportunity to do that. So to recap, blind, direct, fear. Learned this from Ryan Dice and Richard Linder of the Digital Marketer team. I want to share it with you because it's worked and made us millions of dollars, and hopefully it can make you millions of dollars as well. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your attention, and thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.